Today I have a show in Hudson, New York, which is in the beautiful Catskill Mountains in upstate New York. The Rip Van Winkle Motor Lodge is here. This is my 19th video postcard. I'm at Columbia Community College in Hudson, New York. One of the people who is here is Marissa. She took care of my mailing list, and check this out. I usually just have a mailing list that says, like, Olivia Strader email list, but I think I'm just gonna, like, take this and make copies of it. Look at this. Sign up below to be placed on Olivia Strader's email list. It looks so excited. Trevor and Wesley, they're brothers, and when I came here to the Columbia Green Community College, I noticed I went over the Rip Van Winkle Bridge. So why is there a bridge called Rip Van Winkle, people?
You go first. Alright, well, there's this old man that walked up into the mountains one day, and he got attacked by these little dwarf men, and they went bowling.
Dwarf men? Dwarf men. Dwarf men, elves, okay.
Magical fairy people.
Alright, and what happened? Did they give him magical powers?
They gave him magical beer. Ale.
Ale?
For many years. Olivia Strader, rock stop!
Wait, what did you say? Was it Rocks Nonstop or Rocks Nonstop? Okay, now, why do you guys have a particularly strong connection to Rip Van Winkle? Tell me why.
Because we live in the Catskill Mountains.
Right, okay, we're in the Catskill Mountains. Okay.
And on many occasions, don't tell anybody, but our father dresses up as Rip Van Winkle.
Your father dresses up. Okay, so what does your dad do?
He gets really old looking.
How does he do that?
On tattered clothing from the period.
Oh, from the period? Like actual period clothing, or just to look like it? Actual oh my god, wow. And then, so are you guys like, Dad, you're doing it again? I mean, why does he do this?
No, it's awesome. Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Okay, and he gets paid to do it?
Yeah.
By whom?
Everyone that wants him.
Oh, nice. Well, okay, we won't tell anybody except for all the people watching this on YouTube.